Decor Designs, your ultimate source for everything outside the house. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. When we think about landscaping, we usually pour all our time and energy into the front porch or the backyard patio, completely ignoring those narrow, awkward strips of land running down the sides of our homes. But what if we told you that this forgotten, overlooked zone holds the secret to maximizing your property's potential? Today we are breaking down why your side yard is a gold mine for creativity, how you can easily elevate its look, and counting down the top 10 best side yard design ideas that will completely transform your home's exterior. What exactly do we mean by a side yard design? Put simply, it is the intentional landscaping and utilization of the transitional paths between your front and back properties. Far too often, these spaces become a graveyard for air conditioning units, trash bins, and overgrown weeds. Choosing to invest in a dedicated side yard design allows you to reclaim this valuable square footage. The benefits are massive. It instantly boosts your home's curb appeal, creates a seamless and safe transition around your house, and can even provide functional zones like a private reading nook, a dog run, or a vertical herb garden. By turning a neglected alleyway into a beautiful architectural feature, you add real value to your property and ensure that every single inch of your outdoor living space is working for you. Side yards are an often overlooked parcel of land. Long and narrow, it's sometimes difficult to know what to make of this lot. But ignoring your side yard creates a missed opportunity. Not only is this portion of your yard often viewable from your interior windows, but it's also a functional walkway that you and garden party guests alike traverse. We've put together this 15 collection of our favorite side yard ideas to prove that no matter their size, they are full of potential. One, a door as a gate. A short garden gate can make a lovely entrance to your backyard via your side yard. However, a walled structure with a door installed will create more security and privacy. You can make it an interesting architectural feature by opting for an arched door. 2. Illuminated side yard. Similar to a hallway in your house, side yards are often functional pathways that direct you from your front yard to your backyard. Consider installing lighting such as solar-powered sconces so you can see where you're going at night. 3. String lights. Another lighting option for your side yard is string lights. After all, they create extra cozy mood lighting. This especially works well if you have a tall fence to attach them to. 4. Gravel and pavers. Since a side yard tends to get a lot of foot traffic and little sunlight, grass doesn't always grow well in this spot. Pea gravel paired with stepping stones is a beautiful solution to this woe. 5. Artificial grass side yard. Another solution to a side yard that receives poor sunlight is to install artificial grass. This is also a good option if you live in a drought-prone region. With proper maintenance, artificial grass can last for several decades. 6. Turf and stones. If you want to add a low-maintenance decorative touch to a turfed side yard, river rocks are a great option. Create a bed of them running along your fence. 7. Bocce ball court. A long and narrow side yard is the perfect layout for a DIY bocce ball court. Just make sure your side yard gets good drainage before committing to this feature. You can also line the sides of the court with bushes to act as a cushion for any stray balls. 8. Putt-putt course. A putt-putt course is also another option for turning your side yard into a hub for backyard games. Adding in a few little obstacles can make it a bit more challenging, similar to a mini golf course. 9. Lined path. The more spacious the side yard, the more landscaping plants you can fit. This is an especially ideal option for side yards that do not have a nearby structure blocking light. Lining both sides of a side yard path creates a serene sense of balance. 10. Water fountain courtyard. One way to think of a side yard is as a mini courtyard. Decorating your courtyard with features such as a fountain will help you channel a regal look. 11. Hidden air conditioner condenser. A side yard is commonly home to your air conditioner condenser. You can hide this unsightly but useful piece of HVAC equipment with landscaping plants. Just be sure to leave enough clearance on all four sides of the condenser to prevent clogged coils. 12. Raised garden beds. The main portion of your backyard isn't the only spot where a garden will thrive. Add a few raised garden beds and you can grow not just ornamental flowers but also vegetables. 13. Decorative fencing. One way to liven up a side yard is by investing in new fencing. For extra narrow spaces, consider metal fencing, which will create the illusion of additional space. 14. Front yard path. You can freshen up your home's curb appeal by creating a grand front entrance to your side yard. For example, arbors with vining plants paired with a gravel path are two lovely features that you can see from the street. 15. Patio with seating. A patio doesn't have to be located directly behind your house. A side yard is a cozy, enclosed area that's ideal for relaxing and having intimate conversations. Just add some comfy patio furniture and you'll be sure to get a ton of use out of this space. Transforming your side yard doesn't require a massive budget or endless space. It just takes a little bit of vision and the right design strategy. Whether you choose to lay down a clean gravel path with sleek stepping stones, install a vibrant vertical garden, or create a cozy hidden seating area, taking control of this awkward space completely changes the energy of your entire property. No space is too narrow to be beautiful, and with the right touches, your side yard can easily become your favorite part of the home landscape. If you loved these side yard transformations and are ready to upgrade your own outdoor spaces, make sure to hit that like button right now. Don't forget to subscribe to Home's Decor Designs for your daily dose of exterior inspiration, and click the notification bell so you never miss a video. Drop a comment below and let us know which of these ideas would look best on the side of your house. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next video.